I guess in this slide I'm going to discuss about the difference between correlated subquery and non-correlated subquery. So this already point I already written to save some time. So about the correlated subquery, so it depends upon the outer query, but non-correlated subquery, so it's not dependent upon the outer query. So at here I'm using the table employees. So this is the record inside employees table. So and here this is the example of non-correlated subquery, or we can say subquery. So at here this is the inner query. So if you execute this inner query, so at here I'm not getting any error messages. That means this inner query not dependent upon the outer query. So this is the example of non-correlated subquery. So at here if you execute this query, so see at here, so add a multi-part identifier event dot or department ID. So this inner query, so it depends upon the outer query. So that here I'm getting the error message. So this is the example of, so this is the example of correlated subquery, because at your inner query it's a depend upon the outer query. Now let's make that simple. So at here select, so select ABG and here, or not going to use alias add here. No, here this is the even, and here not going to make this one E2 in the department. Now if you execute this inner query, you get the same error message. So multi-part identifier even department ID could not found. So this is the example of correlated subquery. So correlated subquery, the inner query is dependent upon the outer query. Now here let's understand the query. So at your select a star from or salary, or select salary from HR.implies. So salary between 5 to 10,000. So this the salary, it's a depending, it's a display only between 5 to 10,000. Now here after, so if you know or display the salary employee records between 5 to 10,000. So let's use add a in operator. So it's displaying the record between 5 to 10,000 salaries. So see here, it's all salary, it's dependent upon 5 to 10,000. If you don't want include the salary records between 5 to 10,000, so you can use not in. So see here, it's the salary greater than 10,000, 24,000 at here. So it's not between here. Now about this is the example of non-correlated subquery. Now here, so this is the example of correlated subquery. So at here if you execute this, so definitely you get the error, because at here, so it can, this inner query cannot find even. So at here select average salary. So if you execute this one, so this is the display average salary here. Select average salary from here when or ID is the match department ID from the inner query or outer query. So even is the alias of HR.employees table. Now here after I already written this query to find out salary greater than average salary by using correlated subquery and non-correlated subquery. To find this query is non-correlated, so first you have to execute, this is the inner part. So if you find any error, so at here I'm getting the error message, so that means this is the correlated subquery example. But if you execute this inner part, so if you find any error, so I'm not getting error, so this means this is the example of a non-correlated subquery. Now here after by executing this query, so you can find salary greater than average salary. So at here according to department wise, so it's a display salary greater than average salary. So here I used correlated subquery. Now here you can find salary greater than average salary without using non-correlated. So that means this inner query not dependent upon the outer query. So this is the difference between correlated and non-correlated subquery in Microsoft SQL Server. So correlated subquery is a subquery that uses value from the outer query. So it uses the value from the outer query. So see at here. So it uses the value from the outer query. So even the value, so it's even is the alias of hr dot implies. So add here even dot department id. So add here correlated subquery, it's need department id from hr dot implies. And in this case, inner query has to be executed for every row of the outer query, and subquery depends on the outer query for its value. So this is the key important point about non-correlated subquery and correlated subquery in Microsoft SQL Server. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.